Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your 4K phone camera as a 4K web camera. Why should you do this? A 4K webcam these days, the price has shot up online. What cost me about $100 in the earlier part of this year is selling for double the price. A Logitech Brio 4K webcam is the only 4K webcam available right now, and the quality is pretty good. But since the prices have shot up now, and moreover, because of the sluggish inflow of goods from abroad, it may not be easy to get one on the online shopping portals, and there may be a long time delay. So why should you invest in a 4K webcam unnecessarily when you've got a 4K phone camera already available with you? Many of you would be having Samsung and other phones, and 4K cameras are quite common in these. Most of the rear cameras definitely are 4K, but the front facing camera is also 4K. In my phone, the Note 20 Ultra, the front facing camera is a 4K cam, and I'm recording this video in 4K in my Samsung Note 20 Ultra. So what do you need for this? First, you need to download an app. This is a paid app from the App Store. There is a free app also. With the free version, you can record in 1920 to 1080p. But if you want to proceed to the higher resolution, then there is a small fee and you can get a paid version of it. So you can download this app from the App Store and pay for it to get the 4K version. Then you have to download the same app on the computer also. You connect your phone to your computer with the charging cable and activate the apps in both the devices, your computer as well as your phone. When you activate the app in your computer, it will detect the Iriun camera here in the phone, and the settings panel will come up. It can detect the settings automatically, but if you want to be particular about 4K, just scroll down the list and you will find the 4K option at the bottom. So just click on it and that will enable 4K recording. So now that you've got a camera source which is 4K from your phone, all that is needed now is to use this 4K output through the Iriun app in a screen capture device in your computer. The indication for which you would use a 4K webcam would be to create a complex presentation like a blackboard or a whiteboard or a PowerPoint or OneNote presentation, which includes a video source, some teaching material, your logo, and any other relevant items, text maybe, or a border or an image, maybe a video, anything. So there you would like to have a 4K webcam. So the next step is to bring up the screen recorder app in your computer. Hopefully you would have heard about OBS. Open up OBS, and in OBS create a new scene, and in the sources scroll down, and you will see now that the Iriun webcam which has been activated will appear as a source. Click on that. When you click on that, the dialog box for the camera will open up. The default app, in the default version, the camera app will be tiny and will be lying in one top left corner of OBS, but that is not the correct method. You have to go to custom resolution and then choose 4K. Immediately the camera video capture device will fill the whole screen of OBS. Then you can add an audio capture input device and create your PowerPoint presentation. So I am recording this part of the introductory video on my note. I'm going to show you how to bring this camera into OBS step by step, and then you can see and understand how this is accomplished on the computer. So let's dive into the computer and show you how to do it. Now I'm recording my screen on my laptop. I've connected my mobile phone Note 20 Ultra to my laptop with the charging cable, and I've enabled the Iriun app on both the devices. So I'm going to bring up the Iriun app And here you can see the Iriun app now. This feed is coming from my phone via the cable, via the Irium app, and is appearing on my laptop. So here I can change the settings to 4K. Now this is the 4K resolution setting. The next step is to bring up OBS. So I'm opening up OBS now. In OBS I've already added the Irium app. So I've added a video capture source and I'll show you the properties here. So it is the Irium webcam, as you can see. Audio input is my Boya mic here and it is recording. So now I'm speaking into the phone and this feed is being recorded in my OBS. I'm going to start recording in OBS now. This part of the recording is coming to you. It is being recorded in OBS by using the Iriun app as the video capture source, and the audio input is by Boya mic. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now you can easily connect your phone camera to your computer and use it as a webcam instead of just having to buy a costly webcam from the market these days. I hope you found that information useful. If you did, kindly like and share it. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. After subscribing, give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you will receive notifications when I upload another video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.